All right, investors and traders, let me show you one great Google Chrome extension that can facilitate your calculations. You actually don't need to calculate anything, just input stock ticker, your custom API key, and get stock target price, stop loss, and take profit. So now let me show you this application. First, you go to the extensions. Well, it's not really an application, it's an extension. Go to manage extensions and then go to Chrome Web Store. And in Chrome Web Store, you input the name of the extension. It's called Stock Analyzer. As you can see, Stock Analyzer over here. And this is the extension that you need to install, Stock Analyzer. Just click on it, press Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It is adding your extension. Yeah, and your extension has been added. Now go to the trading view. Why I'm showing trading view? Because a lot of people use it. It's very easy to use. Just register and you can draw the graphs. I can show you how to use it with trading terminal, but not everyone is using different trading terminals. My trading terminal is Interactive Broker, Saxo Bank, and some people may use different terminals and it would be confusing if I will be showing. But TradingView is universal. Just go to the website and then start my extension. But first, let's start analyzing the stock. Let's say you want to analyze the GME stock, GameStop. You input the ticker over here, GME, in the trading view. And then you open my extension over here, Stock Analyzer. You just have to enter your custom API key and the stock ticker. How to get your API key? Just press over here, get your custom API key. And you see the pricing plans. Please take in mind that in order to calculate the stock target price, you need the premium or ultimate plans. You can get the great discount using the link. But for setting the stop loss and take profit, you can use basic or starter plans too. And you can start for free just to checking this great API. And then once you register, go to your dashboard. And in your dashboard, as you can see, I already have my API key. Just copy your custom API key and you're good to go. Then open your extension and in the extension, input your custom API key and your ticker GME. Then you press the calculate button. And as you can see, it's showing you the stock target price, stop loss, and take profit. Why it's showing you the negative number? Of course, in reality, stock price cannot be negative, but it's showing you the minus because it is very conservative model. And maybe GameStop company has constantly showed the negative free cash flow constantly. It's more than 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row. Maybe it showed negative data, maybe due to the high discount rate that model is taking individual to the company. Maybe company has high cost of borrowings. That can be a reason because it's discounted heavily, and as a result it has negative target price, which signifies that the stock is currently overvalued. You should ideally find the stock with target price higher than the market price, at least 20%. This would signify that the stock is currently trading 20% cheaper than it should be based on the financial forecasted statement. That's what you should look for. But in this case, GameStop is not the good company for the longer term buys, but for the shorter term, yes, it's great. You can see the stop loss take profit, which is calculated using the stock standard deviation. The application is taking the stock's volatility or standard deviation for 30 days, subtracts 2 deviations from the current price and to get the stop loss, and adds 3 standard deviation to current price to get the take profit. And since the stock is very volatile, you can see on the graph, that's why it is showing you very high range, 9 for stop loss and 45 for take profit. You can draw it on the over here. 45, this would be our take profit. Let's mark this line as green. You are selling at a profit over here, and the stop loss would be around 9. So if stock would be declining, but as you can see, it's a huge corridor because the stock is ideal for very risky investor. That's why it's showing you very high corridor. Again, at 9 you would be selling with loss, and at 45 you would be selling this with profit. You can locate it with the stock, stop loss and take profit. No, I'm sorry, not stop loss, take profit, with support and resistance level. As you can see, currently the stock is lying on its support level. It's a stronger support level because the stock is concentrated on this line for a lot of time. But again, it's very volatile stock because the corridor is very large. It's for risky investors, that's why, and it's very volatile, that's why it's showing you the stop loss and take profit. Let's see another stock for more risk averse investors. This is for risk seeking investors, and let's see another stock for risk averse investors, for investors who want less risk. Let's say the NVIDIA shares. A lot of people were talking about NVIDIA shares recently, and now you can analyze it with ease. In a trading view, in the search bar, type the NVIDIA ticker. This is the NVIDIA. And as you can see, it's a graph. First, let's put the support and resistance level. This is very strong support level because the stock was concentrating on this level for a long time. Let's put it another color so that you see its levels. Now, as you can see, another support level is somewhere here, but it's not strong because the stock was not staying here for a long period. Another stop loss level, another support level, I'm sorry, over here, also not strong. The stock can overpass it easily. And now let's put another support level like here. I'm seeing the points where the stock was concentrating a lot of the time. It was bouncing from this point and was rising again, as you can see. Now you can use my extension stock analyzer. Again, input your ticker. You have to register with FMP only once, and then once you get your ticker, simply paste your ticker over here and you're good to go. And then go to NVIDIA ticker, press the calculate button. As you can see, since the model is using very conservative model, the target price is below current price, which signifies that the stock is overvalued. For a long time, it's not the good buy idea because based on forecasted financial data, based on very conservative DCM model that this extension is using, the stock target price is 58, is below the market price, which is telling you that the stock is trading very expensive right now. But for the shorter term, you can buy it and sell with loss. It's a stop loss at 94, take profit at 168. 168 and 94. 168, somewhere here, 168. Let's put another color, and of course 94. 94, somewhere here would be your stop loss. Again, if the stock is declining, since this is not very strong support levels, if the stock would be declining and the stock can easily overpass these levels, it can go over here, and here you would sell with loss. And if the stock would be rising, you can sell with profit over here. Very, very interesting moment to pay attention to, since the stop loss and support level are very close to each other. In this case, you can decide what you do. You can believe this extension and sell at this level, or you can wait once the stock approach this support level, and it has high chance that the stock will bounce back again and start rising because this is very strong support level. As you can see, the stock was here for a long time, and high probability that large investor volumes are placed here and the stock can bounce back from here. That's why you can wait and place the stop loss slightly lower your support level over here, 1% or 5%, depending on your risk appetite. The more riskier you are, the more percentage you can put over here. Let's say if the stock is overpassing this 5% over here, you are selling this here. So your stop loss would be somewhere here, or you can take this extension simply and sell over here. Say, I don't want to bear more risk under this volatility. I would simply sell it somewhere here. But you can, of course, hold the stock if it's rising. Let's continue this tendency. And as you can see, historically, it took the stock approximately 1 month to rise to this level. If we continue this, we can say that it can take 1 more month for the stock to rise to this level before you sell it with profit. That's how you can act, but of course you should always see the stock fundamentals, regularly check it when the stock is releasing its financial data quarterly. Also check the news, maybe everything can change, maybe data can worsen, maybe some corporate scandal can happen, for example, and the stock can fall dramatically. That's why you should regularly check and regularly use this great extension. Another thing you can do, you can check great investor community where I share different investment ideas, great applications for investors and educational articles on the stock content. Here you can use there is a great reward for you if you register using my referral link, and also you can use this FMP referral link to get the discounts on the premium API points. And of course you can check out my stock market crash course to understand how to analyze stocks technically and fundamentally, how to find great investment ideas and consider other instruments, manage risk and manage your investment portfolio. Thank you very much for watching my demonstrational video.